Hello, aspirants. This is Professor Rajagopalan with one more video to go with my book, Environment and Ecology with Disaster Management, which is now in its fourth edition, published by Oakbridge Publishing, Gurugram. So this is the cover of the book you may have seen before, showing the snow leopard. Now in that book, I have given a strategy for studying environment and ecology for both prelims and mains. And in that I've listed some high priority chapters for prelims and mains. And in that, this one, the land resources also figures. They include desertification, agriculture, and mining. So this lesson is on how to study this topic, and which forms chapter 8 of the book. So how important is the topic of land resources for the examination? A number of questions have appeared in recent years on land, agriculture, mining, and related topics in both prelims and mains examination. Biotechnology, biofertilizer, soil conservation seem to be favorite topics of the examiners. There's also quite a variety in the subtopics. You have to learn quite a few concepts and so on. The static part is quite substantial, so which will be helpful to you. You must know the answers to a number of basic questions, such as what is the state of land resource in the world, the global measures being taken to prevent desertification. In India, what is meant by green revolution, what is the importance of soil, what is the state of soil in India, what is biotechnology and the GM seeds or crops, and how is genetically modified seeds crops are being regulated in India. What is organic farming, state of organic agriculture in the world and in India, as well as the environmental and social impacts of mining. Now, among the concepts and terms you must understand, some important ones are what is really meant by desertification and this UN's concept of land degradation neutrality. Then how do we reclaim wasteland? How do we use drip irrigation to minimize water consumption? What is genetic modification? What is the meaning of terminator seed? Plant genetic resources? The new golden rice that is being made in the lab, and green revolution and high yielding varieties, integrated pest management, natural farming, organic farming, permaculture, and vermiculture. Now there are a number of global reports, initiatives, and so on. So you must look at the Global Soil Biodiversity Atlas, the globally important agricultural heritage systems of UNFAO, the Global Hunger Index, in which India doesn't figure very favorably. Then this UN Convention to combat desertification and the UN Treaty on Plant Genetic Resources. The UNCCD also publishes Global Land Outlook. There have always also been a couple of UN Food System Summit, find out what it was about. In India, there is now a new project called the Aravalli Green Wall Project. We should also know what is happening to the Aravalli Hills. Then ideas such as the Genetic Engineering Approval Committee, what it does, Integrated Watershed Management Program. There was a National Commission on Farmers some years ago, and its recommendations are important even today. Then there are government programs like the Krishi Vikas Yojana, the Krishi Sinchai Yojana, and the Soil Card Scheme. That's about it for this topic. I would end by informing you that very soon we'll be publishing a rapid revision book of question and answer for mains. I have included in that solved POIQs of the last 10 years, as well as more than 200 practice questions. Later, after a month or two, we will release a similar book for the prelims. Thank you and bye.